What is vocabulary in English? The answer to what is vocabulary in English is all the words that form a language to be understood by a specific person or maybe a group of people. Vocabulary in English can be categorized into two types, namely active and passive. The words that we use and understand in day-to-day language are termed as active vocabulary, while the ones which we know but use rarely are said to be passive vocabulary. 3 tiers of vocabulary. Vocabulary is described with the following 3 tiers. 1. Basic vocabulary. The basic words form the first tier of vocabulary. These words normally have a single meaning and do not require instruction. Early reading words, sight words, adjectives, verbs, nouns, etc. are portrayed in this tier. 8,000 word families in English comprises this tier. Number 2, high-frequency vocabulary. Also called the multiple meaning vocabulary tier, this tier comprises words used in a variety of domains, adult communication, literature, etc. It influences reading and speaking.